Okay, quick and dirty HALO 74 installation guide. First, Krebs Uni-Mount adapter. On the 14 by 1 millimeter left-hand thread. Use a tool like a punch, or in this case the small jeweler's screwdriver on an old Leatherman wave, to depress the plunger and get it to lock in once it's completely flush. Okay. Next, take the adapter. You notice there's 3 slots for the plunger, and you use the same tool to depress the plunger on with the actual HALO 74 adapter. And when you screw this on tight, sometimes this will rotate, so you've got to sometimes screw this on completely and use the tool like the screwdriver to rotate these over, because basically you want no wiggle whatsoever so you don't get baffle strikes. 2 adapters with the left hand and right hand threads does take a couple tries, because if you can see in here, the Krebs adapter wants to twist one way while the other adapter twists the other way. So you kind of got to finesse it just a little bit. We push one over and pushing one way and the other way, just until that detent locks in. Once you get this detent pin to engage both thread adapters, so there's absolutely no play. There's no wobble here now. It's actually better than when I shot it, because I'm reinstalling it and filming it after I shot the 100 rounds, and it's locked in even better. Take this little sleeve. It interfaces with the 24 by 1.5 millimeter threads. Stick it in here. I've got the HALO. I've put in a little bit of that Loctite paste on it. Seems to work alright. We'll find out if it works for a longer extended period. But when I had it on my FNC, I needed to put it in the vise and really crank to get the HALO off after an extended firing period. So we shall see. And yeah, you basically screw it on just like you would your normal HALO coupler. When we crank that, I'll probably put it in the vise and crank it just a hair more. And yeah, then it's on, and then go shoot. And as you can see, because I matched these 2 adapters up, yeah, there's no play whatsoever, and that's what you want, because that's what will prevent you from baffle strikes. All right, Vltor HALO 74 adapter for putting your GemTech HALO suppressor on an AK that has 24.5 millimeter threads, or you use the Krebs Uni-Mount adapter. And you can get this, well, maybe through Vltor. I had trouble with the website, or at pieceofhistoryfirearms.com. I had a good shopping experience with them. So, alright, quick and dirty HALO 74 installation guide.